Hi, I am from DVCOM support and training team, and today I am going to give you a brief overview about Yealink MeetingBoard. MeetingBoard comes with two different sizes. The first one is 65 and second one is 86 inches. Along with that, it's going to come with two different colors. The first one is charcoal and second one is white. MeetingBoard comes with inbuilt camera along with the privacy shutter, along with microphones and speakers. Yealink MeetingBoard certified from Microsoft Teams and Zoom, or else you can set up as a device mode. So device mode is nothing but you can use this WPP30 dongle and you can pair with your MeetingBoard and you can connect directly to your laptop. So once you connect your laptop, and from your laptop you can run whatever applications like a Microsoft Teams or Zoom or Cisco Webex or GoToMeeting, BlueJeans, RingCentral, whatever UC applications are available, you can run from your laptop and you can use the peripherals of your MeetingBoard like camera, speaker and microphone. So MeetingBoard supports few AI features, and if you see here, go to the camera control. By default the camera mode it's in manual, so that manually you can able to control your camera. And you can see by default, if you want, you can set up as a auto framing or speaker tracking or multi-focus or picture in picture. Auto framing is nothing but it's going to keep all the participants into a single frame. Speaker tracking is nothing but whoever is speaking in the meeting room, the camera is going to focus it on them. Multi-focus is nothing but each and every participant will show you as a separate frames. Picture in picture is nothing but the remote people, they can see two pictures. One picture is the whole meeting room, other picture is that active speaker of the meeting room. So these are the AI features which is going to support. In case if you set up MeetingBoard in device mode, you can use it for calls, which means you can register MeetingBoard as your SIP device and you can make incoming and outgoing calls. And also there is a whiteboard feature is there. Let's go and demonstrate to you. So let's go to the whiteboard. And in case if you want to choose different color, you can choose from here. So I'm going to say it's a DVCOM. For sales, you can see here how smooth when I'm going to write. So in case if you want to erase, it's very simple and straightforward. So in case if you want to come out from this place, just click on the exit button and you can come out. And also one more interesting thing is that there is a cast screen. By using the cast screen, if you have a Windows or Android, you can use the Miracast, or in case if you have a Mac or iPhone, then you can use the AirPlay, so that you can share your content without connecting any cable. And one more interesting thing is that you can pair your WPP30 directly and you can use it for content sharing. So wirelessly you can do the content sharing, or you can use it as a BYOD also. So that's the beauty of the features what it contains, the MeetingBoard. Thanks for watching. For any enquiries, please send us an email sales@datavoice.com. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next video.